It is the supreme art of a teacher to awaken creative expression and knowledge. Impressive words of Albert Einstein. Hello, I'm teacher Antonietta Dias, a member of this wonderful Theresian family. Teacher's Day is a special day for every teacher because our students make us feel loved and special. But this year, due to the pandemic, we miss the presence of our students amongst us. But nevertheless, we have decided to celebrate this day in a unique way. We shall have Walk the Talk session with our senior most teacher, Mr. Minino Alberto Di Costa, who has been serving in this institution for last 33 years. And there he comes. Let's not miss the warm welcome accorded to him by our zealous headmistress, Sister Clarina Gonsalves.
Welcome, sir. I am indeed feeling fortunate and proud to welcome you. You are a pillar of strength to our institution here, and we are very fortunate to have you here, sir.
Welcome, sir. Happy Teachers' Day. Sir, we are all eager and excited to know about those glamorous moments down your memory lane. So, shall we begin?
Yes.
Let's begin then. Sir, they say that memories can paint beautiful pictures in our mind. Can you share some thrilling incidents and cherished memories that you experienced during your tenure as an educator?
Well, there was a cherished moment in my life. And the first instant is that in the year 2011, our SSC batch,
Yes.
they excelled well. And with that, we were very much excited and we were thrilled.
Yes, of course. It was such an awesome experience, sir.
You all must have felt very proud, sir.
Indeed.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. Incident which we had at Sulla Ghat.
Okay.
It was an unexperienced place because we had not known that particular place,
Yes, I've only heard about it.
and we had gone over them. Okay, initially we started the journey. But as we started moving down, the track was terrible.
Okay.
It was slopey and slippery. So students could not keep their legs because they were wearing their tennis shoes. So there was no grip as such here. So we thought of an idea like we could pull on our hands. Okay, we held our hands together, made a big line, and that is how we happened to go downstream here. Once we reached to the downstream, there was a small valley as such, and again then we have to climb up. There was another problem there. So we placed our boys in between here with the sticks holding both sides, and that is how we made a human chain. And from the bottom, the student starts moving up, and then how we reached right on the top here. And then finally, we were overjoyed. And then finally, amazing waterfall we saw.
You must have had a tough time. Huh?
Yes, I am in
We
one.
miss this experience, Sister Clarina.
Yes.
So they say that challenges make our life interesting, but overcoming them makes it all the more meaningful. What were some mega hurdles that you faced during your tenure?
Not much here, but only when I have to get up early to catch a 7 o'clock bus from Tanjung. Because it was the first bus which was coming to Satsdev. And if we miss that bus, then we have to take at least 2 buses. Coming to Banasari, then getting down, coming to Marcel, then catching either pilot or any lift to get you to the school here. This was some hurdles which we faced here. And you know, especially Fridays you don't talk at that moment.
Yes, truly.
The The bus was packed, could not get inside the bus here and to get down because loads of things people used to carry with them. That was a hurdle which we faced here, but that did not count at that moment.
And you succeeded overcoming them.
Definitely.
Yes, beautiful. Yes, happiness is balancing order, rhythm, and maintaining harmony in your life. How did you balance your dual role as a family man and as an educator par excellence?
Yes. It is very difficult, no doubt. When both parents have been working and the kids are small, all must be experiencing the same thing. It is not only me, but still, we overcame all these difficulties because we used to share our loads. My wife has taken a lot of responsibilities. At the same time, I have also taken the responsibilities, and we work together. And of course, my mother was at home. She could take care of my kids.
And we cannot forget the fact, sir, that you fell in love with this village so much that you became the son-in-law of this village, isn't it?
Yeah, coincidentally.
Okay.
Every accomplishment begins with the firm decision to put an effort.
Which latest advancements of St. Teresa's do you commend the most?
Some of the advancement which I see in the school is the setting of smart boards, many classes.
Yes.
And now the infrastructure which is coming up, which will be getting ready. Thirdly is the achievements of our teachers, lady teachers, who has done
Yes.
very good in sports
Yes.
and other events, and getting a lot of prizes for our school. And of course, the website of us. And now recently, we have the launching of the YouTube channel.
Yes.
It's interesting that our school is going.
Yes. And I am sure we are going to go further on and on.
Yes. So I like to visit chapel, which usually I do.
Yes. Such peaceful atmosphere in there, isn't it?
Yes.
Any guesses where we go next?
I think you are taking me in my favorite place, the science laboratory.
Yes, we don't need any guesses. Here's teacher Patricia waiting eagerly for us.
Wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Same to you,
Same
teacher.
to you.
Sir, a hearty welcome to you.
I definitely like this place.
Inspiration can come to us at any time from any source. There must have been a push button for you to launch into this scientific world and to inspire and to fulfill your dream. Can you throw some light on it, sir?
Yes, teacher. First of all, I like to thank Almighty who has blessed me, and Mother Mary's and Saint Teresa blessed me also and protected me in this school to carry on this work. Secondly, I like to thank my parents also, who has motivated, especially my dad, who is a motivator behind me and supported me all through my studies. Then my teachers in school, who saw me good in science.
So God, Saint Teresa and Mother Mary and your dear ones
Yes, definitely.
were your inspiration, sir.
Yes, definitely.
Does any incident flash into your mind regarding a practical session?
Yes, one or two incidents which have seen in my life here as I was doing some experiments here. I remember when I finished my experiment, the chemicals was on the table, so they tried to mix with each other, okay, to find out something what has been happening. Curiosity, okay, they are always curious to know more things about that. And accidentally, one of the students had dropped sodium piece in water, and boom. Yeah, that was a reaction. Okay.
So
And-
that's a scientific curiosity of a
yeah,
child.
yeah. They were not knowing what will happen next, but luckily no one was injured in that.
And during those days, students must have been very naughty and
Naughty and
as a youngster.
youngsters, and I was a little bit like you. So it was my first experience.
Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. What do you wish to share regarding the unfolding of events in the landmark year 2020, sir?
Before COVID-19 came, okay, we had a trip to Nasik,
Yes.
and we visited the Infant Jesus Shrine. It was a memorable trip for us, for me at least.
For us to.
For us too, yeah, we enjoyed.
And Sister Prerna, she made it possible for us. Thank you, Sister, for that. It was unexpected what we got from
Yes.
Sister.
It was a great opportunity for all of us.
Yeah. Okay.
Not forgetting the fresh grapes.
Yes. Secondly, with this COVID-19 pandemic, teaching learning process have tremendously changed. And thanks to internet,
Yes.
because of internet, we can connect to our students.
Yes.
We can connect to our students, and that is how we go online these days here. And it's a very what you can see it's internet is a blessing to all of us.
2020 is indeed a unique year for all of us. What are the valuable tips you would want to give to our students, sir?
Yes, I like to tell my students, work hard and excel. Respect to your parents and elders, and help the needy people. This is a digital world. Use internet as a tool for education more than entertainment. So I suggest the students to practice this in their life.
Yes, values, hard work is very, very important in life. And the positive from the net has to be taken by the students.
Yes.
Come along with me.
Oh my God! What is this weird look? And without students, how we can celebrate our Teachers' Day?
I agree. You are right, sir. There's teacher Karen, busy on her laptop. Are you preparing for your online classes?
Yes, teacher. In fact, I just finished uploading my lecture, sir. This pandemic has presented everyone with challenges and opportunities. At a press of a button, you have brought this classroom into your home. So, express your feelings regarding this.
Yes. Challenges are the opportunities to grow. And this pandemic here has made us to take up this challenge. Though we were trained on online, but we could not cope up. With the guidance of my colleagues and then getting help from my son, I could take the classroom to my home. I can go on visual line or visual classroom and give the lessons over there. I'm very much excited right now because I can go online, use the apps which I can use on our students.
So definitely, this journey has been exciting. And as it is rightly said, that डर के आगे जीत है, that beyond fear there is success. And yes, sir, we have become victorious. So let's move to a place where we steal some time to snack, check, and plan. And let's see where we are heading to.
Teacher, you are taking me to our staff room. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is my favorite place where I relax, chat with my teachers, and all the discussions we do we carry.
Yes, sir, this is indeed the place where we invigorate ourselves and refresh our minds. Sir, you have excellently shared well with the old as well as the young colleagues. Share your experience of working with both.
Yes, I have very good rapport with my teachers, especially old teachers. We used to get together like a family.
A strong bond.
Yeah, strong one. And we used to reach to each other. We had many occasions where we could go for outing. Maybe we have visited some places outside Goa. Like Belgaum was one of the things. Okay. And then we went to Batkal also.
And we also went to Malvan.
Yes, Malvan, I remember. We went on the canoe.
Yes,
yeah, it was a
yeah.
nice, adventurous.
Yes,
thing, and,
adventurous,
it was very
We
nice.
also went to Kanyakumari.
Kanyakumari, yes, yeah.
And Mahabaleshwar too. Yes, so horse riding. That was exciting.
Ah, okay. I
And
think I was not there.
After that was good, sir.
Earlier we didn't have any WhatsApp here or mobile phone. We were not using it. Only thing way of communication was a landline phone, and still we could get together, and we had that bond. Okay? We had that bond here. Though we didn't write messages and going up, okay, not going up, but still we had a bond with each other as a family. The new staff here. It is a bunch of talent. You name it. They are good in writing lyrics. They are good in composing songs. They are good in dancing. Musicians. We have good musicians here. And they can write plays. They can write. They can act in film. They can make a film. And that is what we have done of Father Founder this year. Okay. I can get well with all my colleagues here without any sort of a disparity. They have not shown me any sort of a disparity, but taken me as their own. And I don't feel that anyone I have opted up for my also. Okay?
And I think, sir, you are really a good leader for them.
I think so.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for that.
We have indeed seen that in you, sir. So let's continue the journey of walk the talk. Good advice comes from life experiences. And it is said that people with the best advice have experienced the most. So, how would you expect the teachers to carry forward the legacy of cooperation and teamwork?
Team produce synergy. Synergy means 1 plus 1 is 11. And then not 1 plus 1 is 2. And it is, and when it is been produced, that is whole is greater than the sum of its value. It is been produced when we effectively cooperate with each other and see thus understand the strength and the weaknesses of one another and support each one to overcome them and leave the ego aside. Secondly, I want to say is teachers, be dedicated to your work and you will achieve your goals.
Thank you, sir, for the valuable advice that will really lead us towards the path that we should follow.
Yes, and you will be successful.
Yes. Sir, you have sailed smoothly under the leadership of different managing heads. So, can you name a few who were your anchors in this voyage?
Yes, I started with Sister Pia, and she was really a pillar for this school because she has worked very hard to bring up this building which you see right now in front of your eyes. And she was a very disciplined person. And there was a lot of discipline in her entire school. Not only in the academic side, you can say, but she has worked spiritually in this village with the help of Father Almi. She has done a lot of things in this. Secondly, she was taking good care of her staff. I remember if there are any late programs in the school, I used to get this restroom, father's restroom to sleep. Yeah, because our staff room was here. So, for me, she is a great person. Actually, she has given me this job. And I am very thankful to her. And I ask God's blessing on her. Secondly, I have worked with other leaders also, headmistresses, other headmistresses also, like Sister Salvasa, Sister Alvita for short period of time, Sister Terry for short period, and Sister Alda. They were very good and very cooperative. I have worked with them and I didn't find anything odd against them. They were very good headmistresses. And now we have a very dynamic, you can say, headmistress, Sister Clarina. She doesn't leave anything just incomplete. She tries to get those things done. Selflessly, tirelessly, she tried to bring up a upgrade. She does it's a continuous process, upgradation of our school. And you can see the improvement in this school here. As I was just recollecting few years back, what was here and what is becoming here, and I will not be able to see what will be happening next also. Yeah.
Always welcome.
We can see the upgradation of our laboratory. Then you can see our computer room, we were just scattered all the computers, and we have the AV room. Only thing, we don't have one nice playground. Only thing, and that was my dream to have that one. And this infrastructure, you can see, as you know, before Sister Clarina came to this school, our number was going down. When Sister Clarina stepped in the school, things changed. And she tried to work hard to get she didn't go to get an admission here, but with the way she had worked with our staff, that made the people to think and to send their students their awards to this school. And that is how the school started growing. Thanks to Sister Clarina for this wonderful job what you have done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and I will remember till my lifetime. With all the work what we see of Sister Clarina, we should admire this. And I have very cordial relationship with the sister, because I know if I go with anything, any request, sometimes it's been answered, or sometimes it's depending on the need of it. I really pray that centuries are grow and flourish. This is my message for you.
Thank you. So, and yes, I am sure that all will agree with me that our headmistress, Sister Clarina, has been a dynamic personality. So, thank you, sir. It was really nice speaking to you. Your views, your experiences, your precious words of advice have inspired all of us. It was really a great pleasure listening to you. And with this, we come to the end of Walk the Talk interview with Sir Alberto de Costa.
I'd like to thank Sister Clarina for interviewing me here today. And I'm also thanking the anchors here, who has done a wonderful job. Teacher Antonetta, Teacher Patricia, and Teacher Karen, for doing this wonderful work. Thank you and God bless you.
So wait, there's some excitement awaiting you. You rightfully earned the title Teacher of the Year 2020.
Oh my God, that is also is waiting for me.
And I request Sister Clarina to do the honors.
congratulations.
Thank you, sister.
Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
God bless you.